Hey everyone, and welcome to day 4 of the 12 days of stickers. So here is day 4. We have the spring picnic kit, and this is one of my favorite kits. It's actually probably one of the first kits I designed for the 12 days. So here are the full boxes, the functional icons, the checklists, the functional boxes, and then the deco sheet and the washi sheet with the date headers. And then we have the mini kit with the silver foil, so you can see what the foil kind of looks like with the foil kit. And here's a bit of a close-up for that so you guys can see what that looks like. It's just a touch of foil for these. Here's the other page if you haven't seen it yet. But that is the spring picnic kit for day 4. Make sure you stay tuned tomorrow for day 3 because we only have a few more left of unboxings. And I hope you guys check out the deal of the day. It's going to be listed in the description down below. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, everyone.